Hello guys, welcome back to Student Future channel. In today's video, I will guide you how to apply for Central European University scholarship related to Hungary scholarship. So, in today's video, I will discuss complete application process for this scholarship. So, let's start. First of all, let me tell you scholarship benefits. You can apply for Bachelor, Master and PhD as well. If you will apply for bachelor's program, so undergraduate scholarships will cover up to 50% tuition fee and you will get 3500 euro per year. For master students, they will get full tuition fee and monthly stipend will be 300 to 1000 euro. And if you are applying for PhD, then your full tuition fee will be covered and you will get monthly stipend of 1900 euro. Then here are the required documents. First of all, you need your CV, your passport, your academic record, medical certificate, motivational letter, recommendation letter and possible test score related to GRE or GMAT. Now let's start application process for this scholarship. For this purpose, you have to simply open this website ceu.edu. When you will open this website, this type of page will be open related to Central European University. When you will scroll down, you can see start your CEU online application. Click on apply. You can read each and every details related to application requirements here step by step if you want further details. But scroll down and start your CEU online application. Click here. So here your application page will be open. First of all, you have to register for this university. If you already have created account, then enter your email address and password. Otherwise, click on new user. When you will click on new user, here you have to enter your details, your first name, then if you have your middle name, otherwise add your family name, then select your date of birth, then select your citizenship, then enter your email address, then you have to choose password, then confirm your password, and then you have to scroll down and mark this option. Click on create user, save your details, and this type of page will be open. Here first of all you have to select your course. Either you are applying for bachelor, master, PhD or any of these other scholarships. So let's suppose I am going to apply for master's program. I will choose this option. Then you have to select academic year. You are applying for 2024 to 2025 or 2025 to 2026. So I will choose this one. Then you have to choose your department. So which department you are going to study. For example, my department is related to natural sciences. I will choose Department of Environmental Sciences and Policy. Then you have to enter keyword. For example, you are going to study environmental science. Then mode of study, full-time, modular, non-degree, part-time. So I will choose full-time. Then click search now. So when you will search it, your keyword related data will be shown here. MSc in Environmental Sciences and Policy. Click here. Okay, then you have to apply related to your program. So my program is shown here, this type, this one. Then I will click on apply. If you don't find your related program, then you can go back and enter another keyword and find related to that. So I am going to apply for this. Now you have to start your application. So here you have to enter all of these details for your application. Okay, so now click on start application. So first one is personal details. Enter your title, then enter your first name, then middle name and then last name, last family name at birth and given name at birth. Enter your name, then select your gender, then preferred or chosen gender if different, then leave it, then preferred pronouns. So here you can enter related to you. Then enter your date of birth, then country of birth. Select your country from here, then enter your city name, then select your citizenship from here. If you have dual citizenship, then you can select this one, otherwise leave it. Country of permanent residence, so select your country. Then are you a holder of permanent residence permit in an European or any country, then you can select yes, no and this one. So no. The most important data that you have filled is marked with static option. The left you can just leave it. Next is click on save and continue. Next is contact details. Add your details, address. First of all, enter your address, line 1. It's mandatory. Then enter your city name. Then enter your province or state. Then enter your postcode. Then select your country from here. Then enter your mobile phone number. It's important. If you want to give another mobile phone number, then you can enter here. Otherwise, enter your email address. It is very important, so enter your email very carefully. Then do you want to add a correspondence address? If you want to add, then you can add, otherwise it's not mandatory. Click on save and continue. Now the next is qualification. Here you can see it's marked as cross. It means all of the details are not entered, so we can check this one. So here you can see it's titled as red. It means I have to add this one as well. So it was, are you a CEU employee or closely related to a CEU employee? So select yes or no according to you. Then click on save and continue. And here you can see it's marked as yes. Now move to the next step, qualification. Okay, so here you have to enter your qualification details. For this, please provide details and upload the degree, certificate or diploma as well as transcript of the relevant previous degree. So if you are applying for master, then you have to give qualification 1 as bachelor's and qualification 2 will be master's. So you are applying for master, then your qualification 1 is bachelor's only. If you are applying for PhD, then you have to enter qualification 1 and qualification 2 as well. Okay, so enter the details. For qualification 1, you have to select your country, enter your school or college name. So here you can find your university. For example, my university name is, you can search it as well. Let's suppose it start from M, Minhaj University. So you can search with M. Then select qualification. So you have done bachelor's. Select subject. So in which field you have studied. I will choose environmental chemistry. Then thesis title. If you have thesis in your bachelor, then you can add, otherwise leave it. Completed, yes. Start date. Enter the start date of your bachelor's degree program. For example, it start from January 2019 and expected end date. So this one 2024. Okay. Then expected graduation date. So if you are graduated, then you can enter the same date. Then official duration of years, that were 4 years. Then document. Now you have to upload your document. Please upload your certificate. So first of all, add your degree and then attach your transcript. So here I will attach my degree first. It's uploading. Now click on close. Then click here and attach your transcript. Open, and after uploading, click on close. Now your data is added. Now English language qualification. So if you have English language qualification, then you can enter data. Do you qualify for exemption from providing proof of English? So if you have English proficiency certificate from your university, then you can select yes. Then other supporting documents, if you have, then you can attach. For example, any rewards or any honors or other certificates, publication, etc. you can upload. Otherwise, simply click on save and continue. Next is experience. You have to add your experience details. Please upload a copy of your CV. First of all, attach your CV. Then current role. Are you currently in employment? So it's not mandatory. You can attach yes or no if you are employment. Then previous role if you want to add, otherwise click on save and continue. Next is documents upload. Now you have to upload your documents. So important document is statement of purpose. So you have to write a well written statement of purpose. Click on upload file and attach your statement of purpose document. Then click on save and continue after entering your statement of purpose document. Next is referees. It is very important. You have to add the details of your referee. For example, enter the title. If it is professor or doctor, enter the details related to this. Then enter the name of your professor. For example, enter family name. Then enter position, assistant professor. Then enter the institution name. Then enter the email address of your professor. Then select the country. Then you have to enter the details of second referee, similarly in the same way. Okay, similarly add the details of two referees. It is very important, and their email ID is very important because they will receive email from the university, and then your referee will submit the application letter related to your reference, and then the referee will upload your document from the website. Then click on save and continue. Next is funding. Now you have to select, do you wish to apply for financial aid? Select yes. Click on save and continue. Then last step is submission. Why CEU? So how did you hear about CEU? Select any option from where you have heard about CEU. So for example, you can select internet search. Then what do you find most attractive? So here you can add related to that, for example curriculum, then data protection statement, declaration, and finally you have to mark this option that I have read and understood and agree to the above declaration and statement. Then you have to click on submit. When you will click on submit, your application will be submitted and it will be finished, and you will receive email regarding to the submission. And this is the process to apply for this application and scholarship. The application process is very simple. If you find any kind of query related to this scholarship, you can comment me. I will be there to reply you. So wish you very best of luck for this scholarship. See you next video.